In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your Slack profile photo step by step. This is a quick but important update that helps your teammates recognize you easily, keeps your profile professional, and makes communication more personal, especially if you work in a large workspace or remote team. Whether you're brand new to Slack or just want to refresh your profile picture, this guide will walk you through everything in a clear and simple way. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Slack homepage. You can do this by visiting app.slack.com or by opening Slack directly if you already have it bookmarked. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace where you want to update your profile photo. If you belong to multiple workspaces, double-check that you're in the right one before moving forward, because each workspace has its own profile settings. Once you're on the Slack homepage and fully logged in, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. This could be your current photo, your initials, or a default avatar if you haven't uploaded an image yet. Click on this profile icon, and a menu will appear. From that menu, select the option that says Profile. This will open your profile panel on the right side of the screen, where you can see your display name, title, and current profile picture. Now that your profile panel is open, focus on your profile photo area. You'll see an option that says Upload Photo, or an edit icon over your current image. Go ahead and click on Upload Photo. This tells Slack that you want to change your existing profile picture, or add a new one if you haven't uploaded one before. After clicking Upload Photo, Slack will prompt you with another option. Click on Upload File. This will open your computer's file explorer, allowing you to browse through your folders. Choose the image you want to use as your new Slack profile photo. For best results, pick a clear image where your face is centered and well lit. Slack supports common image formats like JPG and PNG, so most photos will work just fine. Once you've selected your image, Slack may give you the option to adjust or crop the photo. Take a moment to make sure it looks good within the circular frame, since that's how it will appear to your teammates. When you're happy with how it looks, click on the Save button. This step is important because your changes won't apply unless you save them. After clicking Save, your new profile photo will update instantly. Your teammates will now see your updated picture across the workspace, including in channels, direct messages, and mentions. That's all there is to it. You've successfully updated your Slack profile photo. Before you go, if this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy guides on popular software tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.